Hello, this is Dominic from Paphos Life. I'm just doing a very brief film because I've been flying my drone down at the seafront. That's a gorgeous day, so I thought I'd have a couple of minutes of just filming as well. I haven't been well recently, so my throat's not really up to much waffling. But we'll do a couple of minutes and I'll probably merge it with a film I just did of the cruise ship over there. I had to take my jumper off though, so it's obviously getting a bit warmer. Now I've been surrounded by people wearing bikinis and stuff. I never pointed out before actually, but the only bank along here is the one we're looking at now, so don't use the other cash point machines you see, because they tend to charge you a whacking great commission. Use the banks. I'll just quickly wander up to see what's happening with that bridge, I think, because my wife was up there and took some pictures and it looked like something was happening. They might have covered it up now. Yes, so whatever happened, that is what it now looks like. Excuse me. So whether the bridge is still there or whether it's been taken to a farm in the countryside where retired bridges are left to roam free, who knows. But that's good though, because that means that the roadworks should hopefully not go on for too much longer. We'll have a quick look, quick pan down there, and there's the cruise ship I mentioned. My voice is going out already, so I'm not going to waffle any longer. If I don't do another film before Cyprus Easter, hope you all have a lovely Easter, and I'll see you on the other side. Cheers, bye.